Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to be doing my 1-year review on my Kim Stampatto 9-inch Teddy Blake bag. Now I did do an original unboxing of this bag where I talked about its key features, my initial impressions, and also more about the actual company. That will be linked up above here if you do want to check that video out. But I thought today's video will be very helpful because it'll give you a better insight on how the bag is lasting, my experiences with it for the past year, and if I actually recommend it to you to buy. Now this video is not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link down below if you do decide you want to purchase this bag or a different bag from Teddy Blake. I do recognize that Teddy Blake isn't a super well-known brand, but I am here to tell you that I have had this bag for a year and I 100% recommend it. I will get into why in just a moment so you can make a more informed decision for yourself if you do decide to buy this bag or another bag from Teddy Blake, but I 100% trust and recommend this brand for higher quality products on a cheaper price point. They do cut out the middleman, so that cuts down on costs that normal designer bags do include in their markup pricing. And I will say that this bag is very high quality. All of the materials and everything is very well done. So this is one of my go-to bags. I absolutely love it. It is absolutely beautiful. Therefore, I have used this bag so many times in the past year. It is definitely one of my most used bags. It is always the bag I go for if I want to look a little bit nicer, I'm going on a date night, or even just out with friends and I just want that little bit more of an upscale look to my outfit. This bag has held up so well in the last year. Honestly, it looks brand new. The only change I can tell you about this bag in the past year is honestly that the leather has gotten even nicer. It feels more supple and soft. It's not as stiff as it was when I first got it, and I feel like that just makes it feel and look even more luxurious than it did when I first received it. For me personally, this 9-inch is the perfect size for me. I can fit every single thing that I need in here. I can fit my phone, I can fit my camera, I can fit my wallet and keys. This is the perfect size for me, but I believe it comes in 2 larger sizes. This is the 9-inch. I think it comes in an 11 and a 14. I could be wrong, but again, my link down below, you can check it out there to see what is available currently when you're watching this. I will also say this bag comes in so many different colors, but I highly recommend this color here. I honestly wasn't 100% sure of this color when I first received it, but literally it goes with everything. It is such a fantastic color. You can totally wear this with a fancier look. You could wear it with a dress or a work outfit. But the thing I love about it most is you can 100% wear these just with like a pair of jeans and it looks so nice. It just takes a casual look and makes it look absolutely beautiful. However, if I do ever get a second bag, I think I will go up a size or 2 and probably get one in black because that would be absolutely beautiful. A larger black bag would give that like kind of corporate like chic look, which I think would be really beautiful as well. But if you are looking for like an everyday bag, this is definitely my top recommendation. I love that it comes with the attachable strap. It has the gold hardware, which is perfect for me because I always wear gold. I also just feel like gold again gives that luxurious look to a piece. I love that it has these little locking mechanisms because when I went on vacation, the reason I brought this bag was not only because it looks beautiful with all of my outfits, but also because the locking mechanisms helped me feel so much safer when it came to pickpocketing. So it just gave me the security I needed to feel safe and like I didn't need to safeguard my bag the entire trip. Also, having that attachable strap made it so I could be hands-free when shopping, but I could take the strap off and just carry it by hand if I was going out for like a little dinner or something. I just love the versatility of this bag. So all in all, an amazing bag. It's lasted so well throughout the year. I 100% recommend picking one up if you haven't already. At the end of this video, I will leave that original unboxing video if you do want to see that. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe if you haven't already already. More than 90% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed, so if you could please subscribe, that would mean so much to me. Again, I do have a link down in the description down below if you do want to check out this bag and help support me and my channel. But if you do have any other questions or concerns about this bag or the company, please leave a comment down below and I'll try and make sure that I get back to all of you. But just thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.